Which services can be used to deploy apps on AWS? Choose two. Elastic Beanstalk, Config, OpsWorks, Application Discovery Service, Amazon Kinesis. Elastic Beanstalk and OpsWorks. Which component must be attached to a VPC to enable inbound internet access? NAT gateway, VPC endpoint, VPN connection, internet gateway. Internet gateway. A company wants to ensure that AWS Management Console users are meeting password complexity requirements. How can the company configure password complexity? Using an IAM user policy, organization's service control policy, IAM account password policy, security hub managed insight. IAM account password policy. Which of the following tasks is required to deploy a PCI compliant workload on AWS? Use any AWS service and implement PCI controls at the application layer. Use an AWS service that is in scope for PCI compliance and raise an AWS support ticket to enable PCI compliance at the application layer. Use any AWS service and raise an AWS support ticket to enable PCI compliance on that service. Use an AWS service that is in scope for PCI compliance and apply PCI controls at the application layer. Okay, use an AWS service that is in scope for PCI requirements and apply PCI controls at the application layer. A web developer is concerned that a DDoS attack could target an application. Which service or feature can help protect it? AWS Shield, CloudTrail, Amazon CloudFront, Support Center, Service Health Dashboard, AWS Shield, and CloudFront. Which AWS service gives users on-demand self-service access to AWS compliance control reports? Config, GuardDuty, Trusted Advisor, Artifact. A company wants to provide one of its employees with access to RDS. The company also wants to limit the interaction to only the CLI and software development kits. Which combination of actions should the company take to meet these requirements while following the principles of least privilege? Okay, create an IAM user and provide management and console access only. User and provide programmatic access only. IAM role and provide management console access only. IAM policy with administrator access and attach it to the user. IAM policy with RDS access and attach it to the user. Create an IAM user, provide programmatic access only. Create an IAM policy with RDS access and attach it to the user. Okay. What are the advantages of deploying an application with EC2 instances and multiple availability zones? Choose two. Preventing a single point of failure, reducing the operational costs of the application, allowing the application to serve cross-region users with a low latency, increasing the availability of the application, increasing the load of the application, preventing a single point of failure, increasing the availability of the application. Which tool can be used to identify schedule changes to the infrastructure? Personal health dashboard, trusted advisor dashboard, config. Personal health. What is the customer's responsibility when using AWS? Are you having fun? Operating system configuration, app management, platform management, code encryption. Code encryption. All right, I guess I'll stop here.